The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Quezon in Region 4A or CALABARZON region. The province of Quezon has Lucena City as its provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 4A or CALABARZON region. It is composed of 2 cities, 39 municipalities, and 1,209 barangays. It was founded in 1591. The total land area is 8,743.84 kilometers squared or 3,376.02 square miles. The province of Quezon is bordered clockwise from the northeast by the Philippine Sea, Lamon Bay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Ragay Gulf, Sibuyan Sea, Tayabas Bay, Batangas, Laguna, Rizal, and Bulacan. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Quezon. Municipality of Agdangan with 12 barangays, Municipality of Alabat with 19 barangays, Municipality of Atimonan with 42 barangays, Municipality of Buenavista with 37 barangays, Municipality of Bordeos with 13 barangays, Municipality of Calawag with 81 barangays, Municipality of Candelaria with 25 barangays, and the Municipality of Catanawan with 46 barangays. We also have the Municipality of Dolores with 16 barangays, Municipality of General Luna with 27 barangays, Municipality of General Nakar with 19 barangays, Municipality of Ginayangan with 54 barangays, Municipality of Gumaka with 59 barangays, Municipality of Infanta with 36 barangays, Municipality of Humalig with 5 barangays, and the Municipality of Lopez with 95 barangays. We also have the Municipality of Lucban with 32 barangays, the capital city, Lucena City with 33 barangays, the Municipality of Macalilon with 30 barangays, Municipality of Mauban with 40 barangays, Municipality of Mulanay with 28 barangays, Municipality of Padre Burgos with 22 barangays, Municipality of Pagbilao with 27 barangays, Municipality of Panukulan with 13 barangays, and the Municipality of Patnanungan with 6 barangays. The Municipality of Perez with 14 barangays, Municipality of Pitogo with 39 barangays, Municipality of Plaridel with 9 barangays, Municipality of Polillo with 20 barangays, Municipality of Quezon with 24 barangays, Municipality of Real with 17 barangays, Municipality of Sampaloc with 14 barangays, and the Municipality of San Andres with 7 barangays. We also have the Municipality of San Antonio with 14 barangays, Municipality of San Francisco with 39 barangays, Municipality of San Narciso with 9 barangays, Municipality of Sariaya with 20 barangays, Municipality of Tagkawayan with 24 barangays, Municipality of Tayabas with 17 barangays, Municipality of Chaong with 14 barangays, and the Municipality of Onisan with 7 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Quezon in Region 4A or CALABARZON region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.